Right, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the IELTS speaking test, that how IELTS speaking test is conducted, what kind of questions the IELTS examiner can ask you, and how IELTS speaking examination starts, and in the middle what kind of question is asked, and later on at the end that how you have to answer each question. So let's begin. Right, today I'm Naqash Akram. I'm gonna ask some of the questions from one of the candidates, and she's gonna answer some of those questions. So let's begin. Right, may I have your ID?
Yeah, sure. Here it is.
Okay, right. And how do I call you? How may I call you?
My name is Elena.
Well,
You can
Alina.
call me Helen. Helen.
Okay, right, Helen. Do you like bags?
Yes, I do. I really love them because they're very comfortable and I use them on daily basis.
Okay. What kind of bags do you like? When you go out, what kind of bags do you like to carry along with you?
To tell the truth, I prefer rather big bags because I carry a lot of things with me. Key rings, a bottle of water, some snacks, ID, and many other things that can be in handy.
Okay. What do you put in these bags?
Usually I put things I can urgently need in the street, or some medicines, some pills, makeup stuff, charger for my phone, and of course some water because it's hot where I live.
Absolutely. What sorts of bags do women like to buy?
I think I like to buy more some bags made of cloth and not very expensive ones because I like to change them according to the color of my clothes or my mood today, for example. I have many of them from different cities and places of the world.
Absolutely. Nice. Now we're going to move to the second part of IELTS examination. In the second part, you'll be given a cue card and you'll be given a minute to think about it. You can make some notes if you want to, and later on, you will have to answer for about 1 or 2 minutes on that specific question, right? And the question is shared on the chat box. Please have a look at your screen, have a look at the chat box that this is the question, right? The question is, describe a very intelligent person you know. You should say, who is this person? When and where you first met this person, what this person does in life, for example, work or study, and explain why you think this person is intelligent. You have a minute to think about it, and then later on, you have to answer for about a minute or two, at least a minute.
Could I ask you one question? Is the timer shown on the screen when I pass IELTS?
No, once you finish your time, you'll be directed towards the third part.
So I cannot see the time running on the screen. I need to.
I'll be noticing the time actually.
Yeah. Okay. Now I have time for preparation, yeah?
Yes.
And am I stopped if I speak
Yes.
for too long? Yeah.
You have to answer for at least a minute or maximum 2 minutes.
Maximum 2 minutes here. It's a difficult choice. I have many intelligent people around me. Okay.
Your time starts now, please.
Can I start speaking?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to give a talk about one of the most intelligent persons I've ever met. This person is my literature teacher from the high school. I first met my teacher, her name is Inna, when I was 15 years old. And this person led me into the world of Russian literature, and with a very sophisticated and gentle manner taught me how to read, how to express my ideas and thoughts on different pieces of literature from Russian literature and also from European. This person helped me to how to say this, to write my course essay devoted to unusual new word formation words from one piece of literature. And we even went to the university to represent this essay to this report to students. And she taught me how to organize information and how to write my course paper. And it helped me a lot in the future when I was writing my course work and my diploma in the institute. And I think that such teachers are just the greatest gift from the heaven, because they can show your way in the future. And I'm not a literature teacher now, but thanks to this person, I was taught how to systemize and analyze information and how to write it in a beautiful way to be understood.
Right, absolutely fine. Right, now we are heading towards the third part. And in the third part, you'll be asked some questions and you have to answer each question for about 20 to 30 seconds.
Okay.
Do you think change is good?
Oh, excuse me, it was some lagging in connection.
Yeah. Do you think change is good?
Change?
Yes.
I think that changes help us to show some unknown features of our character in another situations and to represent your best.
Right. What are some of the major changes that occur to people throughout their lives?
I think that the biggest changes are connected with their relationships or with moving to another country or changing their jobs. These are three types of changes which are the most difficult and crucial.
Okay. Is your country changing rapidly?
Yeah, political situation is not stable nowadays in the whole world, and my country isn't an exception. And it's sometimes difficult to adjust these changes.
Right. Why do old people not accept change?
Yes, some of them not accept change, and it's quite difficult for them because it causes depression and development of some features of their characters and traits which are not very good.
Absolutely. Okay. So a couple more questions. Do you like to dance?
Oh, absolutely. Dancing is my number one hobby. I devote 3 hours a week to dancing.
Okay. And who's your favorite dancer?
I don't have the exact one, but I like to watch championships on ballroom dances from time to time.
Okay. Right. Thank you very much. This is this was how IELTS examination is conducted. Right. That was the first part. That in the first part there were some of the questions that how you have to answer each question for about 20 to 30 seconds, and there was another second part. In the second part, it was the cue card that how you have to answer or how you have to add everything logically, and you tried your level best. And in the third part, there were some more questions related to the cue card, and you tried to express yourself quite amazingly.